How can you delete messages from both sites on Instagram easily? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, we open Instagram and go to your chats and conversations by tapping here in the top right corner. Now from there, open the conversation that you want to delete a message from. All you need to do from here is to long tap on the message that you want to delete from both sites and then tap on unsend. Just like that, the message is deleted successfully from both sides. You can do that to any message that you want in any conversation. Now, if you for some reason can't do that, follow up with me. You can go and tap right here in the bottom right corner, tap here in the top right, and then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down all the way down to the bottom right here, and then tap on help. Tap on report a problem, and then tap on report a problem without shaking. Tap on include and continue, and basically describe the problem from them and that you cannot delete messages in Instagram. Once you're done from that, tap on send in the top right corner and they should get back to you with a solution in a short period of time. You can also try to go and update your Instagram and keep it up to date because that may come with a fix. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.